Alright guys, this is LP with S&W Service and Repair, and I've been getting a few questions in the comment section about different things that are going on within the appliance repair business, and also asking questions about what they should do and how they should do it. And today I'm going to come to you and talk about the insurance when you first get started. Insurance is one of those things that you must have when you're working in people's homes or in a commercial setting. You have to have insurance, general liability insurance, because anything could happen. With that said, every case is going to be different. If you're doing just COD, then you can have the bare minimums and still be able to service people's homes. But when you start using a third-party app or third-party warranty company, or start using manufacturer's warranty, they're going to require you to have a certain amount of general liability insurance, and that's going to vary from company. I have warranty companies that they don't even have my insurance on file. They just send me jobs. I have others that require 1 million. I have others that require 2 million. So you're going to have to figure out what you're going to be doing. You're going to have to make a definite decision, and then you're going to have to go out, and if you're going to be servicing third-party warranty companies, they're going to require certain insurance and also certain endorsements, and you're going to need to have those in order for them to onboard you. And that onboarding process a lot of times goes through not just the warranty company, but a company that holds and checks over all of the insurance, your drug screenings and whatnot. The best I can tell you is like Plus One Solutions. So with that, you're going to have to make sure everything is correctly done. All your I's are dotted and your T's crossed. With that being said, I just want you guys to know that I would not go out and just grab some general liability because you're excited to get started. I understand that it's an exciting time and it's new and you want to get started right away, but you don't want to make a mistake. You don't want to grab insurance that just because, and then you have to go back and make all these addendums to it. You have to go in and try to fix it. I had to do that. Take my word for it. It's a long and tedious process. I started out with one company, and they only required me to have $1 million worth of insurance. And I got with another warranty company. They said, "Hey, this ain't gonna work for us. We need $2 million. We need this endorsement. We need them to change the wording of this policy." Man, it was just a big 2-week ordeal. So my best advice for anyone who's going to be getting into the appliance repair business as a company owner, I would advise you to figure out who you're going to work with. If you're going to work just COD, if you're going to start out with the warranty company like the Mike's Need ABC formula, or if you're going to do something like ProConnect, which they send you calls and you kind of like bid upon them. Not bid, but that's house happy when you bid upon them. But ProConnect is when you get in there and they'll send out a mass text blast, and whoever accepts the job first is the one who gets it. But you have to have insurance, and these guys have to be on there as a policy holder. So you're gonna have to go through a lot of different things. And if you guys need an extensive breakdown of this, then I could probably put something together, but it would be behind a paywall, so that's going to take a lot of work. So if you want something like that, we can put something together for you with $25-$30 range. But when I start having to really have to go and do some work and I just can't talk to you guys, then we're gonna have to pay for it. But anyway, you guys can figure it out. I know you're smart enough to do it. But please do not just go grab some insurance. Make sure you figure out which warranty companies you want to work with, which ones you're going to work with, get what their requirements are, and then go and get your general liability insurance. You don't want to do it the other way around. Believe me, I had a lot of headaches, and it took a lot of time. You don't want that to happen to you. Take my word for it, man. You don't want to go through the heartaches and the headaches that I had to. So with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. If there's anything else that you guys need, make sure you drop it in the comments, and I'll try to make a video for you. Now, if you need extensive training, something that you can go step by step, we can put something like that together, but believe me, we are going to charge for it. So that's it, guys. We out.